Today I'm going to show you how I was able to take her from this to this in just one session. As we can see here, there's a lot going on from naturally dark regrowth peeking through to it being previously lifted, and when looking at the mids to the ends, it's very light but also has a very visible type of damage going through it. We got our work cut out for us. This client just wanted a change and a bit of a transformation which would be easy to maintain considering she's not from New York City. When a client provides you with that info, it's safe to say that you should keep the top as natural looking as possible so they can go extended periods of time without touch-ups. Yes, the remaining color will start fading, but if done right, the blend shouldn't fade at all. So what you're seeing here is the Airtouch technique. I use the blow dryer to gently separate the shorter, already broken strands to later color them in. In the foil, however, I'm only lifting the ends, not the mids or the top yet because there's a lot of damage and honestly she doesn't really need the color that high up there anyway. For the lightener, I used Blonde Me 9 by Schwarzkopf with only 7 volume, and for the lowlights I used 5-0 with 1.9% developer by Wella. Remember all those strands we blew away previously? Yeah, well now we're coloring them back in using our lowlight formula. So on the sides, her hair wasn't nearly as weak or damaged as the back, so I was able to bring the lightener up much higher. As you can tell, one foil is going to be the lightener, the next foil right beneath that is going to be the lowlight. I repeated this technique all throughout both sides and left the lightener on until it got to a banana peel yellow color. As I mentioned in my previous videos, saturation is key. For both foils, it doesn't matter what you're doing. If you want proper lift with bleach or proper coverage with lowlights without spots, saturation, saturation, saturation. This is arguably my favorite part, the toning process, where all of the color melting is done. For the roots, I used 3N from Redken Shades EQ and I brought that color down to the demarcation line. Then I used clear or 0-stroke 00 with 1.9% from Wella. Really quick guys, before I show you that gorgeous end result, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel for more tutorials, and if you guys want me to cover a specific topic, please write that in the comment section below. And once again, just in case we forgot where we started with, there's the before and there's the after. I want to thank everybody for watching. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Dr. Balayage.